Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and recently I had a new book come out called A Simple Book of Strength. And if you are one of the 29 people that have reviewed that on Amazon, thank you very much. Now, if you're the one person that gave it a 2, I completely understand. I mean, 2s look so much like 5s. I mean, they're basically like the same number, just transposed, right? But I guarantee you, if you read A Simple Book of Strength and you do the programs that are inside of it, those 5s will start to look like 5s. So just hang in there. And that 2 it'll look just like a 5. I mean, unless it already did and you just were in a hurry anyway. So inside of A Simple Book of Strength, there are some training routines at the end, and I wanted to talk to you about one that I really love. It is called Pick 2 Crawl or Carry. And the premise is simple. You just pick 2 movements like a push, a squat, a hinge, or a pull, and you marry 2 movements together for time, like say 10 minutes. And then after you do those supersets or that pairing, then you would pick a crawl or a carry to have a feel-good finisher to top off your training routine. So it might look like, say you want to do a set of goblet squats for 10. Let's imagine that was 10. And then you want to do a set of chin-ups for maybe 3 reps at a time. And you would just pair that superset, 10 squats, 3 chin-ups, and you would work for as many good-looking sets as you could get inside of your time frame, if it's 10 minutes or 15 or 20. And then after you fulfill your designated time, then you would pick a crawl or a carry, and you would do that for time. And let's say, so if we did just do squats and chin-ups, let's pair that with a crawl. And so we're gonna crawl for 10 minutes. And it could be just as simple as, say we leopard crawl for 20 yards, and then we stand up and casually walk back for 20 yards and repeat. And we just do that for 10 minutes of time. I love training like that, by the way. It's a great way to get in some good crawling, which is great for your nervous system and your body, and then the walk back just helps you settle down and get in another pretty crawl. And again, you would just do that for time. So you could do that on one day, and then the next day or a day later, 2 days later, because the next day would be a day later, but then you could do a hinge and a push, maybe kettlebell swings or deadlifts with push-ups, right? So let's imagine we wanted to pair kettlebell Romanian deadlifts for sets of 10 with a push-up. So we would just see how many rounds of the deadlift and the push-ups we could get inside of our designated time frame of 10, 15, or 20 minutes. And then we would pick a carry since we've already done the crawl. And maybe we want to do bottoms up carries for 20 yards down and back for time, and say we do that for 10 minutes. Anyway, Pick 2 crawl or carry. I love training like that. It's a great way to structure your week. Mondays could be, the squat and the chin-ups. Tuesdays could be the hinge and the push-ups. Wednesday could be take a day off. And then again, Thursday could be you pair another squat and a pull. And then Friday you pair another push and a hinge. You get the idea. It's a great way though to give yourself some good quality movement, to get in some repetitions, and just to keep your body healthy and nourished with movement and resistance training. Anyway, Pick 2 crawl or carry. That is in A Simple Book of Strength. Again, if you bought that book and thank you if you bought it. I'm really honored that you would do that. And if you reviewed it, thank you so much. That's really helpful in getting the word out. And if you gave it a 2, I understand it looks like a 5. Thank you guys so much. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification. Visit originalstrength.net to register.